Animal etiquette or animal rights in Islam. 1. To treat animals with compassion and kindness. 2. Do not hurt animals. 3. When the animals are hungry, feed them fodder, etc. And when they are thirsty, give them water. 4. Do not burden animals beyond their strength. 5. Do not abuse animals. 6. Do not separate parent animals from their little animals. 7. To provide protection against cold for animals in winter. 8. Providing heat protection for animals in summer. 9. Paying zakat of animals. 10. To treat the animals if they get sick. 11. If the animals are bitten by mosquitoes, to arrange mosquito protection. 12. Sharpening the knife while slaughtering the animal so that the pain is minimal. 13. Do not slaughter an animal in front of another animal. 14. Do not target animals. 15. Don't hit the faces of animals. 16. To avoid overkilling the animal. 17. When slaughtering an animal, say Bismillah, Allahu Akbar. 18. Do not skin the animal until it dies.